Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the best credit card for investors. So the credit card's right here. It's a SoFi credit card. The reason it's the best for investors is because you earn unlimited 2% cash back, which is really good. But they also let you redeem it for investment. So you can get like Bitcoin, Ethereum, I think they have like 20 cryptos on there. They might have more than that now. Um, you can also get it towards different stocks. So if you want to use the cash back towards different stocks, you can do that too. Um, all around, this is a really great credit card, especially if you already use SoFi, because you need to have like the investment account in order to redeem it for an investment, obviously. Um, and so, yeah, there's a link down below. If you sign up using my link, there'll also be a $100 sign up bonus. All you have to do is make any purchase. It doesn't matter the amount within 30 days of getting the credit card. That's the only thing you need to do. And yeah, I mean, this is a really great credit card. 2% cash back. It's really, really nice. If you sign up for the other accounts, so like if they have a checking account, which I mean their checking account offers 1.25% APY, which is way better than the other banks. So that's really good also. And then if you sign up for the investment account using my link also, you'll get $50 towards any stock you want. So I mean they're giving away a whole bunch of stuff. I'd highly recommend signing up. Use my link down below. Smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss another upload.